Wow, this is fast. All right, how we doing, everyone? So today we have a beautiful e-bike. Yes, an electric bike. It can go up to 20 miles an hour, 5 gears and 5 different speed with electrical motor. This thing is beautiful, super fast, lot of fun all year round, even if it's super cold like today. You know what? Let's begin now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab, and today, guys, I'm going to show you this great bike. This is an e-bike. It can go up to 20 miles an hour, even more. Right over here. So we have 6 gears. They're well marked. Huh? Nice. So you change it here as you go. Nice. Bell. Now brakes. We have 2 brakes right over here. This is extra. Now here we have the miles per hour, battery, and the speed. Now let me turn it off and I'll show you the whole thing. So I'm going to turn it off and we come back this in a second. Now let's look at the wheels. Real nice wheels here. Disc press. Suspension here. Real nice lights. And if you saw too, it's pretty easy to take it apart, right? We can adjust whatever we want. Even I can just go and adjust this maybe this way. There is all kinds of things we can do in this. Now, here is the battery. So to take the battery, I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to push this up. And here's the battery. Now, comes with the key. When you insert the key, and you can take the battery out. So you can buy extra batteries and replace it super fast. We're going to close this again. We close this and we bring this down. That's it. Now, so here we have the motor, the gear, right? The system, everything. Nice to put something over here. From this side, I want to show you this press. So we have the brakes right over here. This type, same thing, like the ones in the front. All right. Now right over there, a nice suspension. Now let me show you how to charge. Right there, we turn on the e-bike and also has even a USB port to plug it in. So just close that now, and that's it. Now let me show you the controllers, how the whole thing works. No, right there. So now you have the power. You just hold it for a few seconds and comes on, and it show you there all the information that you get. The miles, also you get the battery, the speed, and the gear. So if I press it there right now, it's in 0, so nothing happens. So I'm going to move that there to 1, and if you say press it, it starts. So 0 is not a system, it's just pedal. And then 1, 3 to 5 different levels, super fast. Now to turn the light, just hold there the plus for a few seconds, and the light come out. They show you right there. And let me show you how that works in a sec. And you can see now the light right in the back has a nice LED light, yeah, the red one. And let's go back to the front and let me show you the light in the front as well too. We can see it has a real nice powerful LED light, and you can adjust it also the way you want it. Now this bike is super fast, and let me show you how that works. It's pretty simple. So if we press there, the bike starts. Remember, it needs to be a level either 1 to 5. The next thing is when you assist with the pedal, automatically starts the motor. So let me go, and it starts right there. So if I stop pedal now, it will automatically start. But I'm going to go first. I'm going to press down and see. All right. So if you see now, I'm going to press it, and you see the bike just moves along. So let me go now and start pedal, and you will notice the speed, how it starts real fast. You notice the speed real fast. So as soon as you start pedal, kicks the motor out. When you stop, the motor stops. Or we can just press and it starts real nice. If it brakes real nice, so you stay there and then boom, it clicks. And I can imagine we have there 6 gears, so we can change the gear and we can go real fast after the way we want it. So that's a real nice thing. It's super fast. I'll be able to pick it up to 20 miles an hour. All right, guys. So as you see, it works perfect. I love the way it works with the gear. They show me all that information and everything. All right, guys. Just to get one of these e-bike, like always, I will leave the link right below this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.